Please, please, Terry. Please, 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 Terry. I would never do that. And you aren't listening to me.
No, you're not listening to me.
I love you.
I don't care what you have to say.
Baby,
it's over. It's over.
Please, I would never. I swear to you, I would never.
Let go.
Please.
Let it.
Please.
Let it.
I'm
go.
not letting go. I'm never letting go. I love you. Please. Please. Terry, then I'm asking if you want to stay.
No, I'll pick my kids up in the morning and drop them to school. It's okay.
Yeah, but listen here. Why are you walking away?
Why you keep touching me? What's going on?
I'm trying to have a relationship with you.
We do have a co-parenting relationship, yes.
No, but like a good relationship.
We do have a good co-parenting relationship, yes.
No, you just like come, like it's like a business transition.
I'm gonna come for my kids. That's it. I got the money off to you. What more you want from me?
I'm asking if you
I got
want
literally
to stay.
got 10 minutes. I told my girl I'll be right out there right now. She's in the car.
It's fine.
What's fine?
You can bring her home.
Bring my girl home for what? We going home. Me and her going home.
No, but
Why are you blocking the door?
Because I'm trying to talk to you and you're not talking.
Alright, what's the angle? Why you want to talk to me?
I want to be with you. I want you to stay. I want to work things out.
Our relationship expired.
No, there's no expiration date, okay? Just
We're
stop.
done.
No,
we're
we're
done.
not.
I
Give
move
it a
on.
chance.
You move on. You did what you did. We're done.
No, you did
There's
what you
there's
did.
no going back.
Yes.
I'm just here to be here for my kids,
There
and that's
can be
it.
a chance.
Can you stop touching me? I'm being serious.
I'm being
Should I
serious.
call my girl?
Can you stop? I'm telling you, there could be a chance.
What chance? There's no chance. You and I is done,
there
Nina.
is. Can you stop grabbing me?
You're grabbing me.
I know.
I'm trying to leave
because
this.
I'm trying to get a hug. Like, what's the problem? You can stay.
Okay.
Stay here with the family.
No, I'm not. What are you
Why
doing?
are you not?
Let me call my girl.
What are you doing? What is she gonna do? I'm gonna lock her up.
I'm not gonna lose a good girl because of you. I'm not doing that.
Because of me?
Absolutely, we're done.
No, we're not. We have kids.
You're
we
sick.
can work it out. I'm
We
not sick.
We tried this. It didn't work.
So try again.
I'll move on. You move on. Now, why you didn't do that to him? What happened to him?
I don't care about him.
Excuse me.
Stop pushing me out.
No, I'm done. I'm not playing that.
What baffles me about modern females is that they misuse their opportunity by destroying the very relationship that is meant for them. They go out there, and when things don't go right, they want to come back and want you to pretend nothing happened. But we men are not wired like that. Once you become disloyal, your status before us come crashing down, and nothing can repair it again. With real men, there is really no second chances.
What do you mean, what's the big deal? Who are you?
It's like
what
you're saying...
You just told me you don't want to get married after 5 years of dating me. What do you mean you don't want to get married? Like that, what do you mean?
That's such a big deal?
Yes, it's a huge deal. You don't tell someone that you've been dating for 5 years, oh, sorry, I don't want to marry you. You don't do that. It's not something you discussed before.
Well, it's not like not just you. If I was dating anyone, I just don't want to get married at all. Like, period.
Yeah, well, you clearly lied to me because in the beginning of us dating, you said that's what you want your future to look like. You want to get married, you want to have kids. What are you going to surprise me with next time? Okay. You don't want kids either.
No, I can. Well, we don't have to have. Like, we can have kids. We don't have to be married to have kids.
I don't know where this is coming from. What is going on with you?
I just feel like it's not for us.
How is it not for us? Yes, it is for us. We spoke about this. How isn't it for us? Why wouldn't it be for us? How isn't marriage for us?
What do you mean?
We've been dating.
Why are you getting so mad?
I'm not mad. I'm like frustrated and sad. How could you do that?
Do what? Do you not want to get married?
Yes. You don't tell someone in the beginning of us dating, oh, I want to get married. And then you still been telling me that to this day. And all of a sudden, you're just like, oh, yeah. You know what? My girlfriend of 5 years, I just don't want to marry you. How could you say that?
I just find I don't know. I've come to my senses and realized that marriage is just not the way.
How?
Because what's the difference? Why, like, what is it gonna change? Like, the way I feel about you, or the way we live together,
George,
or the way we do anything?
You're not understanding. It's not about the way we feel. It's like a commitment. You commit to marriage.
I'm not committed enough
Yes,
to
you're
you?
committed. I didn't say you aren't, and so am I. But it's
So if
something.
we have a wedding, if we get married, you're gonna be more committed or more dedicated.
I never said that. I never said that. But
We're not perfect the way we are. I just don't want to change anything. Why can't we just stay how we are?
Look, I'm not gonna force you into anything, but I don't know what we're gonna do because that's what I want my future to look like. I want to get married. I want my life like that. I want to get married. So
But what does that do for you?
It makes me happy.
It makes you happy.
It makes me happy. And if you can't
being
do that,
with me just as a
it does. No, George. No, you're wrong. It makes me happy too. But that's what I want. I want to get married.
and I don't.
Well, then this just won't work.
What if us getting married, our wedding changes everything?
What will it change?
Well, if it wouldn't change anything, what's the point?
You're making it seem like it would change to something bad.
I don't know. I don't want to find out. That's it. I still love you, babe.
Yeah.
It's not gonna change the way I
Well,
feel.
when someone loves someone, they usually want to marry them.
Why?
Because that's what you do. Okay, George, honestly, this is what you wanted to tell me?
Yeah.
Right now, you had to tell me this. You couldn't tell me 5 years ago.
But how would I have known 5 years ago? 5 years
You
ago?
knew 5 years ago you wanted to get married. 5 years later, what's next?
Eventually, I said eventually
you
maybe
never
I would
said-
want to get married. And
No, you didn't. You never said maybe. You said that's what you want in your future.
Yeah.
We discussed this. You spoke about it. You told me. You don't.
And now I just don't. I still want to have a family and kids eventually. That's always the goal in life. I don't feel like getting married doesn't have to be a part of that.
Well, maybe that's for you, but I know what I want, and that's for me. This is so out of nowhere. Did anything happen for you to change your mind?
No, I just was thinking about it and realized that I don't feel like we need to get married. Like I don't need to prove anything to anyone.
But George, it's not.
I don't need to show you that I love you more. How can I show you that I love you more by getting married?
It's not showing me that you love me more. It's starting a life together. Right
We
now,
have.
no,
What?
right now we are together, but we're not really together. Like we're not like I don't know. I don't want to explain it. I know I wanted to get married, and I thought you wanted to.
I'm sorry.
There's no point beating about the bush with this. We all know why men don't want to get married to modern females. All you need to do is just go online. You will see every reason why you should never get married. Marriage is specifically for women, and they are the only ones that have something to gain in marriage. If you truly love him, why not just have a relationship with him, have kids if possible, but avoid the court system that will eventually make him a victim. That is all he is scared of.
Yeah, no, Saturday's perfect. Where do you want to go out to eat? Yeah, okay.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody, don't worry about it. What are you doing?
Hello?
What are you doing?
Hello?
Why are you grabbing
Who
my
was
phone?
that? Why did it hang out when I grabbed it?
It's Catherine, okay?
Who's Catherine?
It's my date for Saturday.
What do you mean date?
I mean, the thing
work?
that you go on when you go, you take a girl out, maybe pay for the food, maybe you get, you know.
Stop, you're married. We are married.
Oh, we are?
You can't be on dates.
Oh, so.
That's cheating.
So.
That's literally cheating.
I can't be on dates, but you can be on dating apps?
What do you mean? Those are just profiles. Those are not real. I'm not setting up a date with anybody. Here, check.
What does dating app imply? It
It's
implies
social
going-
media.
Yo, what happened? Why you not getting in? Alright, but say no more. Hold on. Oh, you mad hostile? What's up? Talk to me.
Because why aren't you opening my door?
Nigga, the door unlocked. What you
Oh, I
talking
am
about?
not going on a date with you if you don't open my door.
What?
I am not going on a date with you if you do not open my fucking door.
Oh, word. Type shit.
What are you
feel me?
doing?
What happened?
What are you doing?
Oh, no, I'm just about to, feel me, go enjoy my day and shit like that. You feel me? Fuck is she talking about? Niggas is bugging the fuck out. Nah, I ain't gonna lie though, she bad as fuck, my nigga. I need that.
On a date with this girl and she done bring her child home. Why would you bring your child on a date? We pulled. I'm at PF Chain. PF Chain is luxury restaurant, and she got the nerve to bring her child with her on our first date.
Was you gonna pay for my babysitter? I'm trying to find a babysitter.
You trying to find a babysitter? Why would you bring your child though?
I didn't have a babysitter.
You didn't have a babysitter.
No.
Look at this luxury restaurant, child. Like, why would you just sit there and bring your child?
What are you?
Who I'm saying though, you unprofessional. Who brings their child to a restaurant on the first date? You like, you don't even know me like that. Why you want me to meet your? What you want me to meet your kid or something? This not that, baby.
Not the one.
This not that. This not that. Like, you want me to meet your child? Like, where's his father at? Where's his father at?
Like I said, I didn't have a babysitter.
Man, don't head and leave then, because why would you show up with your baby though? Like, that's so unprofessional. I'm finna set you out, dog, because you low down for this, bro. You unprofessional. Like, why would you bring your child on a date?
And you saying all this in front of my
What you mean? Because this is embarrassing. It's nothing but grown people in there. He don't, like, your child don't even need to be in a restaurant like this. Where's his father at? Yeah, you got this little dude dressed it all. I'm like, come on, man.